Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and install WSL2 on Windows 11 step by step clearly. To begin, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell in the search bar. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, press Enter and wait for the installation to complete. This command will automatically enable the virtual machine platform and download the latest WSL2 version. Once the installation is finished, you will need to restart your computer. After rebooting, open PowerShell again as an administrator. Next, check the WSL version installed by typing WSL-LV. Press Enter to see all installed distributions and their WSL versions. If you want to install a specific Linux distribution, visit the Microsoft Store. Search for your desired Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu. Click on the distribution you want to install. Then, click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the distribution directly from the Start menu. Open the distribution to complete the initial setup. Follow the prompts to create a user and set a password. After this, WSL2 is ready for use on your Windows 11 machine. You can now access it from either the Start menu or by using PowerShell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.